Hi guys, back with a new video, and this one I'm going to paint up Freezer's base. So this will be for his second evolution, and it will be a little bit similar to the other ones, but it's part of the diorama, so we wanted to keep it similar as much as possible. So let's just jump into it. And now here I'm painting up the base color, and just a reminder, I always give 2 coats of the base color. And now here with this red brownish wash, I'm gonna do all the parts of the rock. Now on this one it's not too much to do. The very first base I used lighter brown as well as the shade, but here because the rocks are not too tall, I just used the red brownish one, as you can see it over here. And now here I'm gonna try to go deep as possible with all the cracks so I can give more details, and I'm gonna go a little bit heavier with this wash on the bottom of the rocks, so just makes it look a little bit more realistic and more details, makes the base pop a little bit. So guys, next year on Patreon will be a little bit of an upgrade, so a couple of videos will be just coming out on Patreon, and some of them they will come out on Patreon, and then down on the road in a couple of months will come out on YouTube as well. So if you would like to support me or you want to see the videos ahead, then you can join the Patreon. It's Gambit Neo, and I will appreciate it a lot. So some of my patrons was asking for more exclusive, so some of the statues I'm gonna paint up next year will be just exclusive to Patreon, and they will be more exclusive STL files as well that I have that I'm gonna print and paint up. So again, if you're interested in something like that, then join in and see how it works. And now here with acrylic shade, I'm gonna do all the cracks on the rocks. Now this depends on you on how heavy would you like to go. I like to go a little bit heavier on this one, so again it just stands out a little bit better. And now with this blue, I'm just gonna do the grass. With this one, actually, I'm just gonna give 1 coat, and I really like how this looks. Sometimes on the planet Namek, they have the grass blue or even pink sometimes. Now these are different planets, so sometimes they will have different grass. I really like the blue, so I stick to this one. And now here with this purple alcoholing, I'm just gonna do the tips of the power effect. And now with this pink, I'm just gonna do the rest of it. Again, this pink is an alcoholing as well. It gives a huge difference between a normal ink and an acrylic. And here I'm just gonna cover it up with some glossy varnish, and that's it. The base is done. Now I'm gonna leave you with some photos, and soon will be the second part of the video where I paint up the statue itself, so stay tuned. Now guys, here's some photos, enjoy, check out my Patreon, check out my YouTube, check out my Instagram and all my social medias, and hope to see you on the next one. Enjoy.